What, there's the pool thing for the pool right there?
Yeah.
There's, it came...
Oh, look how high it went on the fence line there.
I know, it came up here. And, not that we'll be able to see anything, but the road is a river, and this is all fucking runoff. You can't even see out here, and I'm not going down. My rubber boots are only 6 inches tall. Let's see how deep it is. Oh my God! The dog just went for a swim in the yard. Come on, Ruby. Don't, I mean, look, Gemma. Let's see if we can. Yeah, somebody has to clean this up. This is ridiculous. We're not doing it. Can you see anything out there? It's just flowing. Just flowing. The time is 5:05 a.m. Thank God some of this house is slightly elevated. We missed it all. Look at where it came up on the fence. This is all this. 3 steps up. No deal.
Yeah, do a little fucking video in the house.
Stuff started floating away in the laundry room. The dog dishes were all over here. From there. Disgusting. Let's take a look at the laundry room. You can see that the water came in through the sliding glass doors here. You can see a water line on them. Right to there. That's how high the water came in here. Because these doors don't close properly, it came all in here. All of Greg's computer equipment. Up these stairs.
Yeah, you can see it right on the furniture. It goes right up to here.
Oh, you can see the water line on the chaise lounge. That's how deep it was. So that's what, like 10 inches, 12 inches?
Well,
I'll get a fucking measuring tape. Well,
probably 8 inches anyway. It's because it doesn't matter.
laundry room, litter boxes falling all over the place. Poor cats. Litter. Everything else should be okay in here. I'm thinking I should have fucking put that somewhere.
And this isn't the cleanest fucking water in the world either.
Yeah, no, this is all dirty, gray sewage water from...
I'm gonna get the fucking mop.
What are you gonna try and mop?
Just that shit over there.
Came in through here. You can see the water line on the baseboards. Right through that door there. Up on the shelf. All the lower cupboards are wet inside. This is bad. Right, dogs? Jesus.